What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's KJ with KJ Trades Up. Giving you last week's stats of what happened. It was a good week, plus $473. I got my notes here. 5 minutes or less, I will break it down, let you know what I bought, what I sold, what I'm looking for next week. Today being Sunday, market's opening up tomorrow, so I'm going to get right back at it. All right, so what I did last week, for the August 4th to 8th, I did a call option on Amazon. Did two contracts. My contracts were for September 19th expiration. Both contract was a $1.08, but you times it by 100. So $108. I did two contracts, $216. I did sell one of the contracts of Amazon for $194. I made a profit on my first one. I kept the second one. Like I said in the last video that I did, if I do feel strong about a stock, I will definitely buy two contracts. That's what I did. Second one I did was I did the Apple. I did it for December 19th, expiration date. Strike price 270. Got it for 98 cents, so $98 is what I spent. I only got one. I should have got two. Apple has been going up. $23.87 this past week. That's looking good. Amazon's up $7.40. I also did a put option on Lucid. This one here was that I not train my son, but did it with my son, teaching him, better teach him young instead of waiting for him to make mistakes. So the goal is to obviously teach your son or your daughter, and get them kind of ahead. So I gave him options. I did Lucid, Rivian, Pfizer. I explained each company to him, and he decided to go with a put option on Lucid, which, like the companies I gave him, it wasn't going to be a big investment. So the Lucid option, we did two contracts, cost total $40. Within 2 days, I sold it for $67, so $27 profit. So he's excited about that. He thinks that money's coming in. I said, nope, that money stays. Our goal is $100,000 in 18 months. This is month 3, so I got 15 months to go. We are at $7,941. So we've got a long ways to go, but we can make it. What we're looking at this week is, for put options, I'm going to give out the 2 put options and 2 call options. First one is AMC for put option. Looking at $2.50. They are right now trading, as of today, $2.93. They have their earnings report coming out tomorrow, the 11th. So I do have an eye on putting a put option. I might do the in the money at $3, since it's in the money, meaning that I'm putting it at $3 or less. They're at $2.93, so I'm already in the money, saying that, they're going to be at $3 or less. That one there would cost $25. If you do the $2.50 cent range, it will cost about $3.50. So it's not a big investment. Number 2 for the put option is Agenus. AGEN is the symbol. Rumor is that they're going to miss their earnings. So usually when they miss it, tends to drop like sharp, right? So they got a put option. It's trading right now at $4.80. I'm looking at a put option at $5. Again, in the money, $55. So we'll see how that works when they have their earnings as well tomorrow for the 11th. Those are the 2 that I'm looking at for put options. Again, the goal is $50 a day, right? So $50 a day. Once I can get going at $50 and being more comfortable, then it's going to obviously go to $75 a day, then $100 a day. And then next thing you know, my 100K is getting up there quicker. So now here are my call options. My call options, I got Cisco. They got a strong AI data center demand. Their earnings report is on the 13th. They are at 71.79 right now trading. I want to do a call option for 72.50. It's going to cost about $164. Do the expiration date for August 15th. Cisco's been the highest it's ever been. So looking at the stock, they are a strong company. They're doing really well. So that's what I want to look at, is that call option for $72.50. I'm probably going to do 2 contracts on this one. I don't know yet. The next one is SoundHound, stock symbol SOUN. I want to do a call option on this one. Looking at $15 for September 19th expiration. It is looking at, it's like $1.17, so $117 is what I'm looking at. Um, the crazy things, like their AI is just insane. Like, do the research on it, looking to see what's going on with their AI. It is mind-boggling. It's actually pretty darn cool. They did like $10 million more than what they're projected to do. So it's a strong company. But here's the thing with SoundHound. It's trading right now at 13.55. So it's usually like 13, 13.70, 14, and then there's a big sale or sell off. So it drops to like $9, $10, and then it goes back up. This is one, if you want to just get in and get out, is a good stock to do. Usually around like $9. I've done this in the past where I got it like at around like $8, sold it at $11, and then picked it back up like at $9, sold it again at $11. But now I'm gonna do a call option on it because it's at 13.55. When I want to buy the stocks, it has to drop down to like at least 10.50-ish. I'll consider buying some stocks. So therefore, that's why I'm doing a call option. $15 call option on that one. And other than that, those are my four that I'm looking at for this week. Hopefully another positive week this week. Everything's looking good. You know, statistically, they say August is where a lot of the stocks go down, but we'll see. We'll see how true that is. But other than that, subscribe to the channel, learn with me. Any questions, any concerns, anything that you're doing that, you know, probably is better than me, put that down in the chat. Let me know how things are going with you. Give me some inputs if you want. But other than that, I'll talk to you soon. Peace.